kids.
Hello kids, in this video I will teach you 100 two-letter words with fun sentence. I am happy. I see an apple. E is as tall as me. The cat is at home. Be kind to others. I stand by the tree. I can do my homework. We go to the park. He is my friend. If it rains, we stay inside. The toy is in the box. This is my bag. It is sunny today. Give me the ball. My hat is blue. No, I don't want cake. The bottle is full of milk. The cat is on the mat. Or you can have cake or pie. So, I am so happy today. We walk to school. Look up at the sky. Come with us to play. We like to sing. Do you like ice cream? Be gentle with the puppy. I saw an owl. Meet me at the park. She runs as fast as a cheetah. He can jump high. Hi, how are you? Ho, said Santa. My ID is in my bag. If you smile, I smile too. Water is in the glass. This cake is sweet. It is my birthday. Lo, the sun is rising. Help me carry this. My dog is playful. No, thank you. The jar is full of cookies. Ho, I forgot my bag. The book is on the table. Tea or coffee? The ox is big. My pa is cooking. So, it is so cold today. Give me this too, Mom. Climb up the hill. Join us for lunch. We are best friends. Yay! Hey, hold house is empty. Bye. Sit by the fire. Do. Please do your work. Go. Let's go home. He is running fast. Hi. Hi there. If you fall, stand up again. In. The ball is in the net. Is. The bird is singing. It is red. Me. Come with me. My shoes are new. No pets allowed. Off. A cup of tea. Oh no. On. Put it on the chair. Or apples or orange. Ox. An ox pulls the cart. Pa is reading. So, I'm so tired. Do. Go to bed early. Up. Stand up. Us. Play with us. We won the game. Yay! Hey, must listen. Anne, she ate an egg. Look at the moon. Be strong. Bye. Stay by me. Do not touch that. Go get the ball. He likes pizza. Hi, I'm Sam. If you work hard, you win. In. Sit in the chair. It is hot outside. It is fun. Me. Tell me a story. My mom is cooking. No running inside. Off. A piece of cake. Oh wow. On. Sit on the bench. Or soup or salad. Ox. The ox is strong. Pa sings songs. So, she is so kind. 2. Run to the gate. Thank you kids for learning with me. Bye bye. See you in the next video.